Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start right away by using the original or a certified charger and a good cable. This removes variable chargers as the cause. Check the charging port under light and a toothpick for lint, and swap to a known good cable to validate. Once done, reboot the device and close heavy apps because background processes can make the battery appear to drop while charging. Make sure to note charger voltage and current so you can compare readings in the next steps. You now measure how much current actually reaches the battery using an inline USB meter or the device's battery stats. This shows whether charge input exceeds consumption. Next, disable power-hungry features. Lower brightness, turn off GPS, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and background, sync to see if charging improves. If unclear, boot into safe mode or a minimal environment to isolate third-party apps. Once in safe mode, repeat the current measurement to confirm whether an app or the system is the culprit. You finish by acting on what diagnostics revealed. If input current is low or intermittent, replace the charger, cable or clean or repair the port. If the battery shows swelling or extreme heat, replace the battery. Once components are sorted, update firmware or the OS and clear cache. If necessary, backup and factory reset as a last resort. If the device still drains while plugged, try a different power source, and if unresolved, seek professional repair because persistent discharge often indicates hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.